Hi guys, this is my 2.5-year-old kid's cycle. It's got a foam tires on it, as you can see. Now these foam tires wear out very quickly. It's hardly been 2 months since he's been using it, and you can see the tread has already worn out on both the front and the rear wheels, both. So there's a very simple technique to retread these tires is by using a hot solder iron. A 25-watt solder iron is more than enough for this purpose. So what we're gonna do is just heat this gun to the max, wait for 5 minutes before it gets heated to the max temperature, hold it or just look out for the worn threads, the direction, and just press this hot iron against this. It's been 5 seconds. In around 10 seconds or so, you will see a new thread has been formed. Likewise, on the other end also, you can just press this hot iron towards the foam tires, and 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. It's been around 10 seconds, and you can see a new thread has formed both the sides. Doing this way for almost all the worn out threads will give you good results, and you need not change your bicycle's worn out tires. Just keep in mind, these are foam tires, they don't have any tube inside it. See this way, I have done it here. A closer look, it's a little burnt away, but that's not a problem. That's what we want some friction to be there. These threads will work out great. I hope this helps you save quite bucks of yours. I'll keep you posted with some new videos. Thanks, see ya, bye.